we're down here at Bacchus Marsh RSL with Mick. He's going to tell us a bit about the Borrelli fridge that he bought.
Okay, so we were looking for a fridge that would suit our needs, and when we did our research we came across the Borrelli fridge. There was all different sizes. As I said, we wanted one to suit our needs and we found this one. It does everything that we want. It's very easy to open for people with medical issues, for arthritis and any other complaint. And as you can see, it fits in just nicely.
So Mick, which size fridge did you buy?
We bought the 1000 litre because this suits our needs. It's not too big, as you can see it's very compact, but it fits in all the stock that we need for the Bacchus Marsh RSL.